The J-BARR is a Jeep Wrangler hardtop removal hoist and storage system. It's a really great experience to be able to take that hardtop off and just enjoy it. Like, that's why you purchase a Jeep Wrangler at some point in time, is to be able to take that top off. But you see a lot of folks that will shy away from that because of how difficult it is to take it. Just take it off and store it and put it somewhere. It started like with most issues. Had a problem with taking the hardtop off. And it's big, it's awkward, it's heavy. How do we solve for that problem? And then coming up with something we're very, very proud of. One of the key benefits that we offer is the versatility. This can be put anywhere. You don't need electricity, you don't need power, but it's also versatile enough that you can take it on and off every day with one person if you decided that you wanted to do that. And that's what we really wanted to do, was give something that 99% of the people can use in some capacity. J-BARR is made actually locally here in Gibson City, Illinois. With most small businesses, you do all the work and then some, which is good because that way you can learn and you can really interact with the customers and understand what the need is. And we appreciate the feedback because it's given us the ability to improve upon that product, and we will continue to do so.